Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use X without an account. You can, but you can't go ahead and use the X without an account, because all you can really do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and head to x.com. And as you can see, it is going to ask you for the login anyways. So the only way you can go ahead and use it is going to be by directly searching for a profile or the searches by going to x.com. And then you want to simply go ahead and / and a topic. So let's say feds. If you do that, it is going to go ahead and give you the direct account or profile access, but that is about it. You can't actually go ahead and search for anything else or browse. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.